Okay, folks, do you like lemony flavors oozing with citrus? Do you like fresh cilantro drizzled on top of your soups? Do you love garlic and freshly chopped onions? Are you tired of thinking chili is your only source of bean intake? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you have to try this classic, ancient, and specialty Egyptian fava bean stew, flavored with lemon and spices. I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna make you fart, but the taste is so worth it. Today we're making ful soup. It originated in Egypt, but the Armenians, Jews, and Lebanese love it too. I grew up with my dad making it like once a month. Thanks to the easy accessibility of fava bean cans in most Middle Eastern stores and Amazon, it couldn't be easier today. You can buy any number of brands, but I use this. Mid-East ful fava beans. Chop 3 cloves of garlic.
Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. On low heat, add garlic to the pan and sauté it, but not for too long. Add a teaspoon of cumin. Open the ful can and drain all of its water and brine into the pot.
Wash the beans with cold water briefly.
Put the ful into the pot. Add 1/4 cup water to cover the beans. Add 1 full lemon's juice. Teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of Aleppo pepper.
Aleppo pepper? You can get these at almost any local Arabic store. My dad uses them in like all of his cuisines.
Cook on low heat at a slow boil for approximately 20 minutes.
If needed, add a little more water and mash the beans a tiny bit, but not too much or it gets to be like gravy. Once the stew is done, chop and add some white onions, tomato, and cilantro to the top of the stew or individual bowls. You don't cook these in the stew, you just add them at the end so that you can taste all the textures in the delicious stew. Last, drizzle some tahini, which is ground sesame butter, over the top of the stew, period. This is the sauce that you eat in falafels, and it's so delicious.